Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to show most used apps on the Start menu in Windows 10. By following these simple steps, you can conveniently access your frequently used apps directly from the Start menu. Let's get started. Showing most used apps on the Start menu in Windows 10 allows you to quickly access your favorite and frequently used applications without having to navigate through multiple folders. Now, let's dive into the details of each step. Step 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the Start menu. Step 2. Next, click on the Settings icon. It resembles a gear and can be found above the Power button in the Start menu. Step 3. In the Settings window, locate and click on the Personalization option. This will open the personalization settings for your Windows 10. Step 4. Once you are in the personalization settings, click on the Start option. This will open the Start menu customization options. Step 5. Finally, under the Show Most Used Apps option, toggle the switch on. This will enable the feature to display your most used apps on the Start menu. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to show most used apps on the Start menu in Windows 10. Now, your frequently used applications will be easily accessible from the Start menu. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.